Hey everyone! Just wanna share na naman kung paano magkait ngayon 2025 ng MP2 Savings Account. So ayan guys, disclaimer lang, hindi pa ako tagapag-ibig pound, pero mag-share lang ako sa inyo kung paano ako nag-create. So i-check lang yung box na yun guys and proceed. And then, be a member, then click mo lang yung box ulit and proceed. And then, i-click lang naman yung apply for MP2. And then, before getting started, please make sure to prefer the following: Pag-ibig membership ID, MID number, 1 valid ID, selfie photo, proof income, source of fund, Philippine passport for former natural-born Filipinos, certification of reaccretion, retention of Philippine citizenship. And after that, pindutin lamang ang proceed. The next is validate Pag-ibig membership ID. Ipipill up mo lang dito yung MID number mo or yung P1 mo, last name, first name, birthday. And then, click mo lang yung validate. And active. Then, continue mo lang siya. And makikita mo na kagad dito kung ikaw ay eligible. Ayan, yung naka-green. After validate, ilalagay mo dyan yung cellphone number mo. So, Philippine number na lang inilagay mo dyan. Tapos, email. Tapos, marireceive mo ang OTP sa number mo. The next is i-check mo lang dito yung enrollment details mo kung may mali. Ayan. So, double check na lang. The next one is other information. Dito naman sa dividend payout is 5 year na lang yung available online. Yung annual 1 year hindi na siya available. Sa branch na lang siya ginagawa. Payment, piliin lamang at through any accredited Pag-ibig collecting partnership. Sa Desire Money Savings naman, pwedeng 500 lang ilagay mo dyan pataas. Sa source of fund naman, ang nilagay ko dito is employment income, para yung payslip ko na lang ilagay ko dito kasi yung deposit and savings guys is hahanapan ako ng bank statement, kaya yun na lang ang nilagay. And the last one guys is i-upload natin dito yung mga requirements natin. Dapat 3 MB yung size ng mga picture, and yan, wait lang natin siya may upload, then submit, then okay, and mag-wait kayo dito ng email guys at marireceive nyo yung tracking number guys. Ito, ikikip nyo to guys, and then wait kayo ulit ng 5 days para sa MP2 account savings nyo na i-email ulit yan. That's all.